Hi, in this video we're going to go over how to write an introduction paragraph using the metaphor of a funnel. So the reason why I like to think of an introduction paragraph as a funnel is that we're basically taking our readers who are out in the world having broad different experiences, and we are bringing them in to get them to focus on the topic of your essay. So if you look at the picture on the page, the top of the funnel is the broad background, and it's wide like the top of a funnel to catch the water or to catch the readers who are coming into your essay. So you're trying to connect with them in some way. This is sometimes called a hook, but it doesn't have to be the cliche question, did you ever think that this could happen, kind of question. Rather, I like to think about the background as something thematic. So with that, when we think about theme, we think about an idea, a universal truth that applies to our essay and also applies to the world. So I'm going to show you an example in a moment where I'm writing about social class in my essay. And so my background would be about social class in general. And my readers would say, oh, I know about social class, right? This is interesting. Or if your essay was focusing on a difficult decision that a character made in a text, maybe your broad background is about what makes decisions difficult to make, which is going to connect to your readers and get them to keep reading your essay and kind of orient them in your topic. So then once you've engaged your readers, oriented them, you're going to go into the main ideas. And basically you're giving your readers a roadmap for what your paragraph is going to argue in order. So if you have 3 body paragraphs, you'll probably have 3 main ideas here, just kind of walking your reader through what you'll be arguing throughout the essay. And then your reader should be very oriented. You've gotten their attention. You have given them the roadmap for what the essay is going to argue. And then you're ready for your thesis, which is the most specific piece of the introduction paragraph, because you're stating exactly what your essay will be proving. All right, so let's look at an example of that. And this is an introduction paragraph for an essay about the stolen party. And I've color-coded it according to the different parts of an introduction paragraph. So the first couple sentences, which are green, is my background information. So remember, this is what's catching my reader's attention, what's going to connect with them in some way and convince them that this essay is relevant. So my background was, social class affects people's lives in many ways. Wealthier people can afford to live in bigger houses and towns with better resources. In addition to its economic impacts, social class can also affect friendships. This is the case in Liliana Hecker's short story, The Stolen Party. So I've hopefully captured my reader's attention with the green section. And then the sentence that I put in white there is just my transition into the story. So going from, here's some things that are true in the world, this applies to the short story. Then the blue sentences are my main ideas. I number those 1, 2, and 3 because each one of those sentences is a different main idea that corresponds to a different body paragraph. And the way that I structured this essay was chronologically: before the party, during the party, or at the end of the party. And so you'll see the main ideas indicate that. Before going to the party, Razar is optimistic that this will be the best party ever. During the party itself, she still believes the party is wonderful, but is treated as a maid without realizing it. Her attitude shifts at the end of the party when she realizes the truth and is profoundly disappointed. So that's the main ideas of each paragraph. And now I'm ready for my thesis, which is what I'm arguing in the essay overall. So this is my central argument. In The Stolen Party by Liliana Hecker, Rosara misinterprets her role at the party because she believes she is a guest while being treated like a maid. So you can hopefully see how I have started really broad, hopefully engaged my readers, transitioned into the story, explained what I was going to show, and then stated my argument. And now we are super ready to go into those body paragraphs and share those more specific reasons why the thesis is true. Thanks for watching.